welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Northern Persian dish called Mirza Ghasemi, which is a classic eggplant dip. And then we're going to serve it with sweet and sour radish, crackers, and yogurt. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and ring that bell. Let's do this.
Cut eggplants in half lengthwise, place them skin side up on a baking tray and prick them with a fork. I'm gonna grill them in the oven because it's a very cold day and I prefer to stay inside. Use a blowtorch and torch the skins for 2 minutes. Transfer them in a preheated oven at 250 Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch the oven on 180 Celsius, place them in a baking pan and cover it with foil. Put it back in the oven for 30 minutes. As you can see, they are cooked completely. To give them a rich and smoky flavor, use a blowtorch again and torch the skin for one more time. Cover it with foil immediately and leave it at room temperature for an hour. Scrape the flesh using a spoon. Add them in a food processor and blend them for a few seconds. Add a generous amount of olive oil in a pan, add minced garlic along with turmeric powder and fry them for a few seconds. It's ready if you can smell the garlic aroma. Add eggs and continue cooking. Just like making a scrambled egg, let it set a little bit and then start mixing until the eggs are thickened. Use the same skillet and fry the tomato paste on a low heat for a minute. Add eggplant and tomato puree and let them cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Add the scrambled egg and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. It's done when you can see the excess oil on the bottom of the skillet. To make the sweet and sour radish, cut them into 4 pieces and place them on a bowl filled with cold water. Add water, vinegar, mustard and coriander seed, black peppercorn, sugar and salt into a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Cool it down a little bit, add parsley and radishes and place it in the fridge for at least half an hour. I'm gonna teach you how to make a very simple cracker. Add ground flaxseed, sunflower, sesame and pumpkin seed into a bowl, season it with salt and black pepper, add water and mix them together. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Add olive oil and flour and mix them together. Place them on a parchment paper, fold the paper over and roll it out with a rolling pin. Bake it at 160 Celsius for 20 minutes. To make a soft boiled quail egg, bring water into a boil, add eggs and boil them for 80 seconds.